Water-cooled chillers are core components in commercial and large-scale residential air conditioning systems, delivering reliable, high-efficiency cooling for comfortable indoor environments. They operate by circulating chilled water through a network of air handlers or fan coils, which then distribute cool air into spaces like offices, malls, and hotels. Compared to air-cooled alternatives, they offer higher energy efficiency due to more effective heat dissipation via water-cooled condensers. These chillers handle large cooling loads efficiently, maintain stable temperatures even in hot climates, and operate more quietly. They often integrate smart controls and variable frequency drives to adapt to dynamic cooling demands, balancing comfort, energy savings, and operational reliability for HVAC systems.